Hey everybody, welcome to Fuel. Storage, garage lengths, and patios were carefully thought of to carry today's and tomorrow's toys. Let's take a look at the all-new 362 floor plan from Fuel. This Fuel 362 is a 14-foot garage with a dry weight of 14,200 pounds, cargo capacity of 2,750 pounds, and length is under 44 feet. This should have no problem accommodating 5 to 6 campers depending on their size. And as far as your specs on your fresh gray and black tanks, you're going to have a 100-gallon freshwater tank capacity, 45-gallon gray water tank capacity, and 90-gallon capacity for your black tank. Here in the garage, a very residential feel. Blinds for privacy with massive windows that all open to give you a nice cross breeze to accompany when this back patio door is open. This will come standard with the Happy Jack system, so you should be able to sleep 2 to 4 people here comfortably in these queen size equivalent beds. You're also going to have tie downs here to ensure that all of your toys are secure going to and from your destination. You have this nice loft style sleeping, which is above an integrated half bath. At the dinette, you have no pressed countertop, but you have solid surface. It looks great with the rest of the interior colors and designs of this floor plan. This is where the TV is going to be located. The Fuel team made a huge upgrade this year with this JBL system. Not only is it a hi-fi system that's extremely loud, you have Bluetooth, you'll have pass-through USB, as well as pass-through HDMI. If you have a PlayStation 5, for example, you take that HDMI cord and you plug it into the face of this radio receiver unit, and it will display on your TV. You have this wonderful massive shelf, again, not pressed countertop, solid surface to match the dinette. Also, you have storage above this dinette going all the way to the ceiling. What I love about this massive sofa that will easily accommodate 4 people my size, you have integrated cup holders not only in the fold down section, but on both ends. It comes with LED and integrated USB ports, so you can sit here comfortably while you're recharging yourself and your smartphone devices. So what you've noticed throughout this coach so far are massive shades covering massive windows. You are going to have a lot of natural light, so much you probably won't even need to turn on the LED lighting in here. Additional utility. You have a wine rack. You have a lot of storage. You have a 8 cubic foot LP gas combo reefer. This is ideal for those of you that aren't necessarily going to have access to shore power. You have a farmhouse style sink surrounded by a solid surface all white countertop. The 3-burner stove comes with a flush mounted glass top to extend this entire counter space. You're going to enjoy this king size bed. You have nightstands. One is added utility with even more storage, as well as wireless charging for your smart devices. Spanning the entire length of this master suite, 4 massive cabinet doors with a beautiful residential style glass insert. In this slide, you have a closet with mirrored inserts to allow you to see yourself getting ready for the next day ahead. If you're looking for a toy hauler priced competitively to give you all the storage that you need for today and tomorrow's toys, learn more about the Fuel 362 floor plan at heartlandrvs.com.